Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Yale door lock password. First, ensure your door lock has fresh batteries, as low power can interrupt the process and cause errors. You will also need your current master code handy. This critical code is essential to access all programming functions. Make sure you have this master code readily available before beginning any changes to your lock settings. To begin, wake up your Yale door lock by simply touching the keypad display. Next, enter your current master code, which is usually between 4 and 10 digits long, and then press the gear symbol. The lock should make a distinct sound, like a beep or a voice prompt, confirming that you have successfully entered programming mode. This sound indicates it is ready for your changes. Once in programming mode, press the number 2, which is typically the option to add or change a user code. Now, input your new, desired user code, ensuring it is a unique sequence of 4 to 10 digits. After entering your new code, press the gear symbol once more to confirm it. The lock will usually provide a final confirmation, indicating the user code has been successfully updated. For enhanced security, consider updating your master code periodically. While in programming mode, press the number 1, which is the option to change the master code. Next, type in your new master code again, a secure sequence of 4 to 10 digits. Confirm this new master code by re-entering it and pressing the gear symbol, and then the lock should beep twice to signify a successful update. Keep this new master code in a safe, memorable place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.